Keerthi Pumps, a name to reckon with in the world of liquid pumping and handling, is a 2-decade company located in Coimbatore, the industrial hub of South India. Started in the year 2000, it had a humble beginning with a small team of technocrats and steadily grew to become a world-class supplier over the last 20 years, all due to sheer dedication, innovation and quality upkeep. Today, Keerthi Pumps supplies special application chemical pumps of half HP to 1000 HP power all over India, the US, the Middle East, Africa and other regions. Keerthi Pumps' sincerity starts upon every order for pumps, from the raw material selection, understanding clients' exact requirements, adhering to quality manufacturing practice at every stage of process right until sending the pumps. In its R&D center, there is constant innovation and all the components are manufactured with their own CNC machines, thereby ensuring that quality stays their own responsibility. This mantra is religiously followed irrespective of the size of the order. The above process is done with the sole objective of the customer in mind and the quality of the product in order to surpass clients' expectations by all means. Keerthi Pumps specializes in wide gamut of liquid pumps suitable to varied application and industries. Starting from dewatering pumps, it has pumps for chemical industries, paper industries, sugar industries, petrochemical industries, fertilizers manufacturers, power plants, base metal industries, refineries and other process industries, both small and big. In short, it caters to all types of process industries that handle liquids of all nature. Some of the global standards adhered are to the global quality needs, such as the range of pumps manufactured include water pumps, KCP chemical process pumps, ACH and C chemical process pumps, KPS slurry pumps, KMF mixed flow pumps, KVO vertical pumps, dewatering pumps, HSC watering pumps, axial flow pumps, dewatering pumps, multi-stage pumps, dewater booster pumps, and other pumps customized to industry needs as per specifications of the clients, manufactured in our very own foundry, so that our components are best suited for pumping all kinds of liquids. All said, the main attribute that makes Keerthi Pumps a market leader is the zeal to honor the orders on time to each and every customer across the world, with utmost care taken in package and delivery with a view of earning trust and goodwill.